Lot of students who are preparing for MSc entrance examinations, they have one question, sir, mathematical syllabus is huge. Which book to follow, what to study? This is the book, Mathematical Physics by H.K. Das, Eschanth Publications. It's a wonderful and beautifully written book. So I'll tell you, why you're supposed to use this book and how you're supposed to use this book for your better preparation. What is the best strategy to use this book? The first thing, before going there, I want to tell you how you are not supposed to use this book. It's a very thick book, contains almost 1500 pages and contains almost 50 chapters. So it is not possible if you are thinking, sir, I have 6 months for preparation, so I'm going to first finish the entire mathematical physics subject and then move on to the next subject. Not possible. That is not the right way to do. And it's also not possible that you are going to pick up the first chapter and scroll and go through all the 50 chapters and then, sir, I can say that my mathematical physics is done. No, that is the wrong strategy to go about it. Rather than, what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to pick the syllabus of the entrance examination that you are preparing. It contains lot of chapters, lot of unnecessary chapters, because it is not written for any particular entrance examination. It's a very exhaustive book. So you are supposed to pick up the chapter that or you are going to identify from the contents page. Go to the contents page and mark all the chapters that are, in fact, in chapter, within the chapter also, not all the topics and subtopics are necessary. So identify very specifically, underline them, identify which chapters and which topics are necessary, and then you are going to dedicate 1 hour slot every day, either 1 hour or 1.5 hour, that is up to you. But there is going to be an everyday 1.5 hour mathematical physics. See, whatever you are going to do, simultaneously 1.5 hour of mathematical physics, and along with this you are going to do other physics subjects like electrodynamics, because whatever you are going to study here, it's going to be applied in all the other subjects of physics. So therefore, in electrodynamics, in classical mechanics, in quantum mechanics, the linear algebra that you are going to study here, you pair it with quantum mechanics. Whatever the differential equations and the integral calculus that you are going to study here, that's going to be used in electrodynamics. That's going to be used in electrodynamics. So therefore, you are going to pair it up with the relevant subject. So therefore, you always have a motivation. Like whenever you are doing vector calculus, your or vector integrals or triple integrals, your in the next subsequent physics subject, you're also applying them. So in the 6 months of your preparation, like this, every 1.5 hour, if you dedicate, probably in within 2 or 2.5 months, you can finish almost all the necessary syllabus that is required. So this is the strategy that is necessary for you to crack any entrance examinations mathematical physics. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe.